Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Xoom to transfer money. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, here we go. So to do the transfer through Xoom, you can do it on a website by going to your browser and accessing the xoom.com official, or you can do it by downloading the Xoom app itself. Once I open the Xoom app itself, you're going to log in with your PayPal account, or you can create an account which is connected with your PayPal. Tap on login or sign up, tap on login with PayPal, add an email address of your PayPal account, tap on next, add in your password, tap on next, and you are logged in. Once you're logged in, you're gonna go to the home section and click on the send money option. Then simply choose the destination country. Then afterwards, simply have to select how the money will be received, the receiving method. Then enter the recipient's bank account or mobile wallet information according to the receiving destination you have selected. Once you have provided that, you're going to add the recipient's personal information as it will ask accordingly as well. Then choose how you would like to pay. Once you have chosen the payment method, provide the payment method information, review your transaction information, and tap on send and complete the transaction itself. Your money has been sent. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.